In today's video, we will know some advantages of eating an avocado. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest videos notification. Let's get started. 1. Avocado is incredibly nutritious. Avocado is a green, pear-shaped fruit often called an alligator pear. It is loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and various important nutrients. 2. They contain more potassium than bananas. Potassium is an important mineral that most people don't get enough of. Avocados are very high in potassium, which should support healthy blood pressure levels. 3. Avocado is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. Avocados and avocado oil are high in monounsaturated oleic acid, a heart-healthy fatty acid that is believed to be one of the main reasons for the health benefits of olive oil. 4. Avocados are loaded with fiber. Avocados tend to be rich in fiber, about 7% by weight, which is very high compared to most other foods. Fiber may have important benefits for weight loss and metabolic health. 5. Eating avocados can lower cholesterol and triglyceride level. Numerous studies have shown that eating avocado can improve heart disease risk factors like total, bad LDL and good HDL cholesterol, as well as blood triglycerides. 6. People who eat avocados tend to be healthier. One dietary survey found that people who ate avocados had a much higher nutrient intake and a lower risk of metabolic syndrome. 7. Their fat content may help you absorb nutrients from plant foods. Studies have shown that eating avocado or avocado oil with vegetables can dramatically increase the number of antioxidants you take in. 8. Avocados are loaded with powerful antioxidants that can protect your eyes. Avocados are high in antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are very important for eye health and lower your risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. 9. Avocado may help prevent cancer. Some test tube studies have shown that nutrients in avocados may have benefits in preventing prostate cancer and lowering the side effects of chemotherapy. However, human-based research is lacking. 10. Avocado extract may help relieve symptoms of arthritis. Studies have shown that avocado and soybean oil extracts can significantly reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis.